You alright? I heard some commotion. What's the deal?
Hey!
I was down there and I got into it with that little girl downstairs.
She had the nerve to call me a tramp because she said I was flirting at the party. All of the things, a tramp I will never be. You don't call somebody out of their name like that.
Well,
You don't know me that well to call me out of my name. If you were on the street and you called me that name, you'd be 6 feet under right now. This Barbie fights back.
Eve.
If you want to call me ghetto, well then I guess that makes me Detroit Barbie.
This is the king I've been looking for because there's the king I heard it was.
And there you go.
And then Todd laughs to get off in the hot tub.
Eve. What are you doing? Eve. Eve. You are so nasty. Eve. 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 I'm sorry that you're in the heat. Eve. My cat is in the heat. Poor baby.